Retire like a genius.
How to become a retirement genius. Top 5 genius strategies to get the most out of Social Security benefits. Social Security is not a one-size-fits-all proposition. Putting some strategic thought into when you take benefits and understanding that certain life events open doors to adjust your Social Security benefit is critical to getting the most out of the program. So here are 5 common scenarios and the strategies to make sure you're getting the most out of the program. Strategy 1. You've turned 62 and are eligible now to start collecting Social Security, but should you start now or wait until you're older? If a person starts collecting at age 62, they would be locking in the lowest monthly benefit they have earned for the rest of their life. Every year that you wait until reaching age 70, the monthly benefit increases. A person who could start collecting today at 62 versus if they had waited and started collecting today at age 70 would receive a monthly benefit of almost twice as much. Strategy 2. You're married and ready to start collecting Social Security. For a married couple, once the higher earning spouse starts to take their benefit, the other can elect to take a spousal benefit, which can be up to 50% at full retirement age of the higher benefit amount. Strategy 3. You're divorced and ready to start collecting Social Security. In the case of divorce, an ex-spouse can collect up to 50% of the other's benefit if they are 62 or older, were married at least 10 years, and are single. If the ex-spouse has died, they can still collect a survivor benefit under the same rules. The ex-spouse can start collecting the benefit whether the other has started collecting their benefit or not if they have been divorced at least 2 years. Strategy 4. Your spouse is deceased and you're ready to start collecting Social Security. A surviving spouse can collect up to 100% of the deceased's benefit if they start at full retirement age. But if they start collecting sooner, they will receive a reduced amount of between 71% and 99% of the benefit. If they remarry before age 60, they can't collect. But if after age 60, they can collect. If there are surviving children age 18 or younger, they are entitled to 75% of the full benefit amount, and the benefit will continue until age 19 if the child is a full-time student, or age 22 if the child is disabled. But there is a limit to how much Social Security will pay to any one household of 180% of the deceased's benefit amount. Strategy 5. You're earning income while collecting Social Security. Many retirees overlook how Social Security enforces earnings limits and imposes federal income taxes on benefits. Exceeding these thresholds can reduce monthly payments and increase tax liability, impacting overall retirement income. Social Security enforces specific earnings limits and tax rules that can affect your benefits if you're working while receiving them. If you exceed the annual earned income limit, you can be subject to taxes being deducted from up to 85% of your benefits. Maximizing Social Security benefits requires careful planning, including choosing the right age to start, coordinating with a spouse, and managing tax implications. Making informed decisions can mean the difference of hundreds or even thousands of dollars each month with long-term financial consequences.
Retire like a genius.
It's always best to work with information and experts to help you navigate these tricky issues. So visit Retirement Genius today to learn more about how to retire like a genius.